headers?
021, 023, 025, 027, 029, 031, 033, 035, 037, 039, 041, 043, 045, 047, 049, 051, 053, 055, 057, 059, 061-063, 065, 067, 069,
I think this is a fail.
075, 078,
They're gonna reissue it again, I bet.
081, 083, 085, 087, 089, 091-093, 095.
Oh my god.
099, 101, 103, 105, 107, 109, 111, 113, 115, 117, 119, 121, 123-125, 127, 129, 131, 133, 135.
This is the biggest fail I've ever gotten. Oh my god.
143, 145, 147, 149, 151, 153-155, 157, 159.
I'm gonna report this. I think this is an awfully big fail.
167, 169, 171, 173, 175, 177, 179, 181, 183-185, 187, 189, 06043 Bulletin East. Activation requested child abduction emergency Tennessee Bureau of Investigation, Nashville, Tennessee, relayed by National Weather Service. 169, 171.
Yep, they timed out.
175, 177, 179.
Oh, double header!
This is a child abduction emergency.
Here we go.
At the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation, a statewide Tennessee Amber Alert has been issued by the TBI on behalf of the Portland Police Department for 16-year-old Destiny Faith Aldridge. Destiny is a white female with blonde hair, hazel eyes, 5 feet tall, and 100 pounds. Destiny was last seen wearing gray stretch pants, a black short-sleeved shirt, and black Nike sandals. Destiny was last seen at her residence in Portland on the evening of September 5, 2018. Destiny was abducted by 21-year-old Ronnie Wilmoth, white male with brown hair, blue eyes, 6 feet tall, and 195 pounds, and was last seen wearing jeans, a pink shirt, and red cap. They are believed to be traveling in a white Kia Optima with Tennessee tag 9L08Hour0. Destiny is currently 8 months pregnant and was taken by force by Wilmoth. Wilmoth is currently wanted for 1 count of aggravated kidnapping. If you have information on the whereabouts of Destiny Aldridge or Ronnie Wilmoth, call the TBI 1-800-TBI-FIND or the Portland Police Department at 615-325-3434. In Nashville at 9 p.m. Cloudy. The temperature was 80.
Yep, here's TV.
2.472, and the relative humidity was 76%. Winds were east at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.18 inches and rising. Around Middle Tennessee. TNC 001, 003, 005, 007, 009, 011, 013, 014.
They're doing it on the TV!
021, 023.
Oh my god, they're gonna do it again on the TV. Oh my god. Yes.
031, 033, 035, 037, 039,
This is bad.
041, 043,
I just
045,
not
047,
so
049, 051, 053, 055, 057, 059, 061-063, 065, 067, 069, 071, 073, 075, 077, 079, 081, 083, 085, 087, 089, 091-093, 095, 097, 099, 101, 103, 105, 107, 123-125, 127, 129, 131, 133, 135, 137, 139, 141, 143, 145, 147, 149, 151, 153-155, 157, 159, 161, 163, 165, 167, 169, 171, 173, 175, 177, 179, 181, 183-185, 187, 189, 060436 Bulletin, East. Activation.
And that's where they timed out.
I guess they ran over the 2-minute mark. I wonder why.
I just can't believe they failed that miserably. Like, they did the headers. They did the header numbers, Jonathan. What the hell is this? There you go. My first shout out to Mercy on the 300. And on the 74250. Here's the pointy watch lights.
I forgot that the early version WR100s activated for a watch when
Yeah.
you dropped that.
So yeah.
Well, that's the first time I've played it.
And that is the first time I've gotten an Amber Alert since March. If anyone remembers. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.